So speaking of addressing it, I mean, these things sound really important, but it's a little overwhelming. It sounds like I've got some time, but are there any tools or solutions that can help out?
Fortunately, there's a ton. And many of them are tools that people are already familiar with or should be familiar with. So one of the best is, if you don't already have Google Search Console, like, what are you waiting for? That's actually one of the greatest tools you can have for SEO optimization. So search engine optimization, strangely enough, for for optimization of your organic search. Let's put it that way. And it wires into Google Analytics, so you can get Google Search Console reports right in Google Analytics. But if you dive down into Search Console, you can get a lot more detailed information. And among the things that you can get now is a Core Web Vitals report. They've actually got a tab for it, and it will show you for both mobile and desktop, which are your poor URLs, which are your good URLs, and which ones potentially need improvement. So it's essentially, you can score your site, with that. There's also a Chrome extension for Web Vitals. Google Page Speed Insights is another one.
And Andy, can we just, I want to pause on the Google Search Console report here. All of these other tools that we're going to talk about are gathering really limited amounts of data through one very specific use case. So the Chrome browser extension, for instance, is going to be using your device's connection speed. It could simulate it, other connection speeds, but then also like different extensions and things that you have installed in Chrome are going to impact that as well. Whereas the data that Google is gathering through Google Search Console and Google Analytics, that's actual user data. And that's the data that Google is going to be using to make the determinations in any ranking impacts or changes for your site.